Heal Zeus.
Akin yung...
Be careful. Uy, nasa yung road doon, pre.
Oy, kuro, pa-drop ng load. Ako sa...
67%.
Okay, just hold.
Ready.
Ready, Sato shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow, Sato. Silita. Kama. Be careful.
Coming inside.
Wait, be careful. Huwag niyo dikitan.
Hindi ko kaya i-demon.
North side kay banda.
Ayaw mamatay.
Be careful ah. You're going to Luxon. Ditangs, pag pumupok po kayo, isang side lang kayo para mag-guard run lang kayo.
30% hit.
Okay, just hold.
Looking na yata sa...
Okay, nag-ano sa half front.
GG. 10% gate.
Okay, just hold. Do not go in yet. Just hold. North side kayo, banda. Be careful sa south over the ledge ah. Ditang lang pwede dun. Wait. Fifig ako ah. Pokemaster, mag-inch off lang.
Wala ko dyan.
Go. Sige.
Pinapatay ko yung initial.
Stacking yung
Just wait. Be careful, E-shaper. East side, be careful.
Naka-hard food yung
Careful lang.
kalaban.
Ready, half front. Ready, south 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Silita. Nice. Kama. Half front. Left. Stabilize. Dim. Pakil. Be careful. Energy shaper, be careful. Oh, spread north side. Come north. We only have 2 healers. Come north. Okay, wait. Hold on. Stick with me. Ready, just on the front, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just on the front. Nice kills. Left. Okay, fall him. Just hold. Half front. Okay, just hold. Don't go in yet. Just hold. Pakid na. Okay, just wait. Stabilize. Ditang, bumalik kayo pag kailangan ah. Just wait.
IE Southeast Wiggy.
Nakatingin ako dyan.
North. Follow me. Actually, hold. Sige. North side kayo bumanda, deepest. North side banda, deepest. Wait ah.
Ingat ko muna.
Bago inhale.
Fake.
Wait. Fake. Do not clamp. Keep feeling front.
Shaper.
Be careful. Wait.
Gago. Isa pa, Shaper.
Wait. Sige lang. Mag-head ba to sa atin ah? Wait. They're looking. Just wait.
Double OC.
Double OC. Just wait. Nakikita niyo yung over the ledge dito, yung west malapit sa west tower. Doon tayo sa west tower. Be ready, west tower 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West tower. Delete. Come back. Nice. Head front. Wait. Come back. North. Come north. Left. Wait. Come north. Kite north. Left. Listen. Wait. Kite north. Keep healing.
Diyan ng rat. May ano.
Come back.
Wait daw.
Yung IE daw kasi yung IE. Just hold.
Ay, nasa
Okay lang yung
north.
IE.
Nasa north.
May mahuli ako dito sa southeast mo.
Nagre-reset yung...
Follow me. Sige. Follow me. Nasa north ako banda. Follow me. Asa si IE? Pre, nasa yung IE?
Nakita ko yung RE nasa north.
Nakatingin ako sa i. Post na dun.
Sige, sige.
Sabihin ko na lang pag magbabam na.
Okay, okay. Spread to the north to side. Ay, daw yan eh.
Okay.
Ay, iyo, ay, southeast na. Binubok nila yung south ng castle.
Umiikot pre ah. Ingat.
Yung ano.